Hi everyone. Okay, so I just got a new thing that I thought I would share because it seemed like it was a lot of fun. So it's called a Juggy, and it is a premium water jug. I wanted to. It looks so cute online. I'm hoping it is. I started the gym with my daughter, and I've been going 4 days a week and taking these classes that are an hour long, and they are intense. For a bodacious chick like me, they're intense. So I wanted to take a water bottle that was nice and cold, and so I saw this. It popped up on my Facebook, and so I thought, you know what? It was cute. It was totally cute, so I had to have it. Let's see how you do this. Do you just stick it in? Maybe like that? Maybe like this? I don't know. I'm not good at this stuff, figuring out stuff like this. My husband does it for me. Because, honestly, it's funny. Oh, my goodness. Okay. But at least I got it, right? So, yep. It goes like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how cute that is. So, oh my goodness. That is too fun. Oh my goodness. Look, and it has little pockets. So it has little pockets so you can put like your wallet or your phone in here. And then it has the little, like a key. You can put your keys on here too. Oh, what a great idea. I like that. But look it was, I think, $45. It was a bundle. So this was like 10, and then it came with the, well, you got the bundle, which was the sleeve, which they have other sleeves. And they have, the sleeves are different. There's a pizza one I really want. You get the jug in any color you want, and then the straw. So, I would imagine it goes like that. And then, I don't know. It's going to be something. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I see. Okay. So I thought you guys might get a kick out of it like I did. It's so fun. So fun. So yeah, I love it. And then it has the little handles here. And I like this. I can't wait to use it on Monday. It's going to be fun. And then I know to drink my water too, you know. So awesome. All right. And it was called a Juggy. Yeah. It's called a Juggy. Get Juggy. And yep. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.